Hello and welcome back to Leiden University YouTube channel. I'm Claire Wolf and I'm a Latin American Studies Master's student. I am here to give you guys loads of information on student life at Leiden University. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the public transport system, how to move around Leiden, and most importantly, how to get yourself a bike. So let's start with that. Everyone in the Netherlands moves around on bicycles. It is the best way to get around the city centre, not only because it's the quickest way, but it's the cheapest way as well. The really good thing is that it is also very safe using a bicycle in Leiden. The roads are structured, so there is a bicycle lane and it's super flat as well. There are two main ways of getting yourself a bike. That is renting a bike or buying yourself a bike. Renting a bike, there are two main companies, that's Easy Feet and Swap Feet. And you pay a monthly fee to use the bicycle. I would say the plus side of renting a bike is that if anything happens to it, they will fix it for you for free, and that is included in the monthly payment. The second option is to buy yourself a second-hand bike. The university sets up at the beginning of each semester a bike sale, which is great. So you can go along, have a look at the bikes on offer and buy yourself a second-hand bike. And they're all at a really good price. I'd say they cost anything between €80 to €150. And the other way, which is how I found my bike, was a Facebook page for students from Leiden called Buy, Sell, Exchange. And this is a page where students just put up anything that they want to sell. And it's full of amazing stuff like bicycles, mattresses, houseplants, all of that sort of thing. And this is the best way to find cheap items such as a bike. The second way to move around Leiden is by bus. The bus station is located at Leiden Central, and Leiden Central is also where the main train terminal is as well. Buses run from around, I say, early in the morning until about 11:30 at night, and there's lots of different routes that take you all over Leiden. As a student, I'd say I don't really use the bus system that much because I have a bicycle and it is so much quicker to go anywhere by bike. But obviously, if you're not feeling the bike, there is the bus system and it has great connections all over the city. One place I would really recommend visiting by bus is Noordwijk, and Noordwijk is the local beach town, really close to Leiden. It's about 45 minutes by bus and it is absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the public transport system. The Netherlands has an amazing public transport system. It doesn't matter where you want to go, anywhere in the country, you can get there by train, tram or bus. But the most important thing that you need to know is that you need to get yourself an OV chip card. The OV chip cards can be used in any city. It doesn't matter where you are in the country, these apply for anywhere that you go. And when you start your journey, you tap in, and then when you get off your train or bus or tram, you tap out again. This one's yellow because it's a personalised OV chip card and it can only be used by me. You can also get yourself a non-personalised OV chip card, and you can buy these like at any train station and quite a lot of newsagents. And the last option is just to go to one of the ticket machines, and that will just be like a one-time use train ticket. The only catch with that is that you pay a €1 fee for every time they print you a ticket. So it is actually cheaper to get yourself one of these. You can find out more information on the Dutch public transport system at 9292.nl. That's the website page. Or, which I'd really recommend, is downloading the Dutch NS app. And that is basically the Dutch public transport app. And on there you can find all the information and the timetables and all of that sort of thing. So guys, I just gave you information on the Dutch public transport system, how to buy yourself a bike. I hope you found this useful. Please get in touch if you've got any comments or things that you'd really like to know. Thanks for watching. My previous video was basically why I decided to study at Leiden and all about the application process. So if you did miss that video, please do check it out. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you all again soon.